my name's Amanda, and I'm here to talk to you about the brand new Mini Convertible. New for this year, we've got the zesty yellow paint color, which is exclusive to the Convertible. And then taking a look down the side, we've got brand new 18-inch pulse spoke wheels. The Mini now comes with even more premium standard features. New for this year, we've got LED headlights and taillights. And then as far as safety goes, our active driving assistant, which includes forward collision warning and city braking, now includes lane departure warning. The Mini Convertible is available with 3 different engine variants. We have the Cooper Convertible, which is 134 horsepower. We have this car here, the Cooper S Convertible, 189 horsepower. And then we've also got the John Cooper Works at 228 horsepower. One of my favorite features on the Mini Convertible is going to be the easy load. So you're going to start with the top up, open up the boot, and then from here, lift up on these levers. It's great to have this feature available just in case you need to pick someone up from the airport and they've got some luggage with them. You can go ahead and raise this shelf, grab your luggage, place it right in, close the boot, and you're good to go. To put your top down using the remote control key fob, just press and hold on the unlock button. Once your car is fully unlocked, the windows will roll down first, followed by sunroof mode. This is a really unique feature that only we offer on our convertibles as standard. And then if you want to put the full top down, just go ahead, release the button and press again, and the whole top will go down in just 18 seconds flat. So now you're ready for some fun convertible driving. For this year, we've amped up the interior. We have a beautifully new redesigned dash, as well as upgraded ambient lighting and a brand new Napa leather steering wheel. This Mini is equipped with 3 different driving modes. It's going to default to mid mode, but if you're feeling like driving a little bit more sporty, you can go ahead and put it in sport mode, which is going to tighten your steering wheel and adjust the throttle response. Or if you're feeling like saving a little bit of gas, you can go ahead and put it in green mode, and that's going to help save on your fuel. The Mini Convertible is my Mini of choice because of its go-kart-like handling and the sleek open-air design. Thank you for spending time with me today. Good luck in your search for your perfect Mini. I hope to see you behind the wheel of a Mini Convertible soon.